Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to reset your Amazon account password. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Amazon Shopping app. After you're in the app, you'll see this kind of interface. Now if you already have an account before, but you cannot log into it, as you have forgotten your password related to your account, what you can do is, first of all, tap on the sign in option over here. Now you need to make sure that you are in the sign in phase, so make sure to select the sign in already a customer option. Now over here you can see this need help option, tap on it. Now choose forgot your password option. A password assistance will open up. Here you can enter your registered email address or your phone number which you have used to create your account before. After that, tap on continue. So you will receive a verification code in your registered email address, or as you can see, I've received a Gmail from Amazon, so I'll open it. It will contain the verification code in it, so I'll just copy it. Now go back and paste the code over here and tap on the submit code option. Now here you need to provide the full name associated with your account, so provide your full name over here and tap on continue. Now here you can reset your password. Tap on this enter new password option. Now you can set a new password for your account. Make sure your password is secured and strong, which is easy to remember for you. Again, re-enter your password. After that, tap on the save changes button. So that's it. That's how you can successfully reset your Amazon account password. Now whenever you try to re-log in, you can use your new password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.